What's up, people? It's your boy Smurf Dizzle. This nigga right here. So we walking through the woods and shit, cause this is vacation day, man.
Whoa there, this is what we like to do.
You know, we like to mow the boat there.
Is that a?
Who the hell?
Is that a leprechaun?
Is that a leprechaun?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's a leprechaun.
The real life leprechaun, right here.
Now watch the way he moves. Be careful now.
Hi, Kate. We're moving in on the leprechaun.
Move up close. You don't move up close, he can bite you right there.
He's smiling. He looks like a hobbit.
You sure it's not a hobbit?
Now follow me, guys.
Come on. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Show him the teeth. Show him the teeth. Oh shit, bro. It is hot as fuck, bro.